Uy, kanina ka pa dyan. What's wrong ba, ha? Kanina pa ako tumatawag sa'yo, ah. Kanina pa ako nagsasay na bumaba ka kasi tinatanong kita kung anong kakainin mo sa Grab. Hindi mo ba narinig? Or nagpapabibingi-bingian ka dyan? Uy! Anong problema mo, ha? Tangina naman, oh. Hindi ka talaga sasalita, ha? Ano ba nangyari? Okay pa naman tayo kanina, ha? So you have no reason to be like that or act like that. Sabihin mo na kasi. Ano ba na nangyari? Uy. Did I say something ba? May ginawa ba ako na magalit ka? Why are you acting so quiet? You're not this quiet. You don't act like this unless something's wrong. Unless I did something, but I don't recall doing anything. Not anything that I can think of that would make you mad. Ano ba? Ano ba yung nangyari, ha? I'm serious. Kanina pa ako nag-a-ask sa'yo kung ano nangyayari, tas hindi mo ko sinasalita. Kala ko ba communication is the key? Ikaw nga na nagsabi nun, diba? And yet here you are, sulking away in the corner, acting like nothing's going on, but you're so quiet. Ano ba yan? I swear, if you don't talk to me, babe, ano ba? Ano nangyari kasi? Ano bang ginawa ko? Ha? Ano bang ginawa ko na maging mad ka sa akin? Sabihin mo na kasi. Why are you so quiet ba? I'm not used to it. Alam mo, it's so unhealthy yung ginagawa mo. You said that we should communicate to each other and everything, but you're acting so quiet and you're acting like nothing's okay, nothing's fine. That nothing's wrong, but something is clearly wrong because bakit ka nagkakaganyan, ha? Di ka naman nanggaganyan pag walang masamang nangyari, di ba? Sabihin mo na kasi, ano ba yung nangyari, ha? Hindi ka talaga sasalita. Nakang pucha naman, bebo. Kanina pa ako nag-ask dito sa'yo kung ano nang nangyayari sa'yo. I didn't do anything wrong naman. Pansinin mo na kasi ako. Ano ba? Ano ba yung nangyari? Ano ba yung ginawa ko? So that I could fix what I did wrong. I thought communication is the key, baby. And you're not communicating with me. Alam mo naman it's unhealthy na ganyan. Wala kang ginagawa to fix it. Sabihin mo na kasi what I did wrong so that I could fix it, so we could go back to the way we were. Baby naman eh. You're so stubborn. You know that kanina pa ako nagsasabi sa'yo kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, but you keep avoiding me. Ano ba? Tangina, parang mag-ano na ako dito, mag-breakdown na ako dito sa'yo. Ha? Sabihin mo na kasi kung ano nangyayari. Kung saan ako nagkulang, kung saan ako nag-ano. Parang kinakausap ko na lang yung wall dito kasi walang may nag-ano sa akin, nagpapapansin sa akin. Ha, ano ba? Baby, kanina pa ako dito. I don't know. Hindi ko na alam paano kita ano yun. I don't know how to make you talk anymore. Magsalita ka na kasi. Ano ba to? Ignoring your girlfriend prank, ha? Sige na. I'm trying to make you laugh pero hindi ka nagla-laugh eh. My jokes are funny kaya. Sige na. I told you a million times already kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo pero you keep ignoring me. And alam mo naman I hate being ignored, diba? Baby, please. Talk to me. Alam mo naman I can't live without you eh. Please laugh at my jokes. You're gonna hurt my feelings. Ano ba? Ano ba yung nang kanina pa ako dito. If I could count how many times I said, ano ba yung nangyayari? I would be a millionaire by now. Maybe. Kanina nga ako sasabi sa'yo kanina pa, diba? Talk to me kasi so we could fix it. Ano ba? Why are you ignoring me? It's not funny, ha? Whatever you're doing, it's not funny. Baby. Ano ba? Ano ba, ha? Kanina pa. I'm annoying you so that you could talk to me. Because if I would just let you sulk in the corner, wala naman akong it's not gonna fix anything if I just let you have time. Ano ba? Okay, just tell me that you want time and I'll give you time. Pero if you're just gonna ignore me, then I'm gonna overthink the whole day. Just tell me kasi what's wrong so that I could fix it. Diba? Please. Maybe naman give me just an ounce of your attention. Kanina pa ako dito nagsasabi sa'yo kung anong magagawa ko so that you could talk to me again. Pero you're not talking to me anymore. And it just hurts my feelings kasi akala ko nga communication is the key and you're not communicating with me. This is the first time that you're not communicating to me because you're the one that always says that we should communicate and then you're not communicating with me. It doesn't make sense, bala baby. And I'm getting mad na because you're not talking to me and it feels like you're just annoying me. Babe, ano ba? Ha? Ano ba yung nangyayari sa'yo?